Hey, so got a little update on the Monte here. Daniel got in and he ripped all the carpet out. See all the carpet, the seats, everything. So we could see what this floor looked like. And we knew we had some weak spots in it and that we were gonna have to fix. But I've never seen this done before, but I've heard about it. So let me show you real quickly what we've got. So looking at this, this right here was down in like that. So it obviously is covering some things, but it's fiberglass. So somebody has thrown fiberglass in here, and we got fiberglass right here. All up under here is all fiberglass. So yank that out of there, and you know there's some holes on it. It's not all bad, but these panels we're going to replace anyways. But you can see over there, yeah, that's all fiberglass. So we're going to have to fix that. And then what's that? This is something cut and popped a hole in. It looks to me like someone had a shifter on there that was different maybe, and they cut a hole in for the shifter, or someone was going to put a stick in there, or I don't know. It's just all cut. It's not rotted, it's just cut and ripped out. So I'm going to have to make a plate over that and you know, weld that up in there, because that's not going to come with the panels. That's just the top of the hole. Now the B&M shifter that we're going to put in here, that is going to need a hole for the cable, but we're putting a hole in, not a ripped up hole. We'll put a hole in a grommet so that the cable can go through for the shifter. So yeah, so we've got some fixing to do in there. I've got some fork-ins for this area back here that I can cut out, and those are for the Firebird that I'm not going to use. Some of this stuff, you know, the bending. Anyways, it matches the whole thing, so I think it'll work. So we'll get this fixed up in here so that when we sell this, the person who buys it's going to have a solid car. We're not going to put a piece of crap in there. So we'll get the two front panels coming. Danny may even have them ordered already, and then the back ones we can use those. Or if it doesn't look like it's going to work out, we'll try to find something else. But I mean, this is all real solid in here. This is all real good in here. These braces and the floor and the seat mounts and everything are really good. So I don't think we need to worry about that. So we'll cut and use the panels as we need them, and then make it work. So that's where we're at with the Monte. And this week you'll see me start to rip into that and work on it. We also, like, we have that we got to fix. And I think today Danny and I are going to go look for a new trunk lid and the spoiler. So we found a guy locally to get, but like with most Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist, when these people post things they want to sell, yeah, try getting a hold of the people to buy them. You know, we've been 3 weeks trying to get a hold of this guy. He doesn't answer his phone, doesn't receive text messages, doesn't receive emails. I don't know how he thought he was going to sell it, because he doesn't want to talk to anybody. Yeah, weird. You list something and then you disappear when people want to buy it. And we found like probably 3 different yards with these Montes in Michigan that we could run and get parts, but the people won't answer their ads. And when they do answer their ads, they're like, they don't want anybody to come see what they have. It's just like, how am I going to buy what you want? Well, tell me what you want. You tell you what you want, and then it's either a no or never hear from them again. You know, so you just don't know. You know, it's really strange. I don't get, you know, people talk about, oh, it's hard to sell to people on Facebook. No, it's hard to buy from people on Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist. They just disappear. They're just strange. So anyways, I'm ranting, so I'm going to cut this off, and we will talk to you later.